हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल KTM राइडर सैयद। सो आज हम अपने टीम आउटिंग के लिए आए थे अपने ऑफिस के फ्रेंड्स के साथ और ऑफिस की टीम के साथ, जो कि क्लब कबाना यलहंका में है। बेंगलोर से ये 30 किलोमीटर्स के डिस्टेंस पे है, 30-35 किलोमीटर्स के। एयरपोर्ट रोड में है ये। चिकजड़ा सिग्नल के बाद लेफ़्ट लेके अंदर आना पड़ेगा। सो ये एंट्रेंस है और ये वाला पार्किंग है। इधर भी यूल फाइंड पार्किंग एंड दिस इज़ द रजिस्ट्रेशन। वी हैड ऑलरेडी प्री बुक्ड इन एडवांस कंपनी की तरफ से, सो वी डिडंट हैव टू वेट। वी जस्ट टुक आवर बैंड्स विच प्रीटी मच लुक्स लाइक दिस। या लेट मी ज़ूम इट हियर। So if you want to know the tariffs of here, you can check out here. You can either zoom it and pause it and see it. Okay, so this is the entrance and yeah, pretty much greenery here. So there's some coupons available here for some spinning games, okay, which you need to pay and buy it. So this is the entrance of Club Cabana amusement park or resort, whatever you want to call it as. You'll have indoor games and outdoor games as well as water games here, and a couple of games are there which comes with the package, and a couple of other games are there which we need to pay separately and then use the games. You have a bar here and you have some VR games as well. Yeah, so this is the bar here, and there is some stay charges also if you want to spend overnight here. So this is the entrance. Yeah, you can see the cricket match on a big screen of projector. So this is the entrance to the amusement park now. As you can see, there's always a dining area here. Yeah, this is the dining area. Yeah. So this is the amusement park. This is the wave pool. So yeah. So you have a wave pool, you have lazy river, you have some day outing activities as well, rope climbing, walking on the lodges there, wooden logs there. You have a bull swing. This is the lazy river. Yeah, there is a kid pool also over there. I'll show you in some time. Yeah. So this is the wave pool. The waves are coming, as you can see. So we were here at 9:30 for breakfast. So we had the complete South Indian breakfast, and lunch was also there, wherein we had some veg and some non-veg items for lunch with lots of ice creams. As you can see, it's a weekend and the place is too crowded. So the place where I am taking you now, we have a couple of slides there. It's yeah, not for kids but for adults. As you can see, it's called as banana peel. I don't know what does that mean, but we had some slides which are supposed to be gone by this rubber tubes. The slides were amazing, man, seriously. My entire team enjoyed a lot. Yeah. This is the way to go up, and then you'll eventually come down. So I'll show you a glimpse of this. So, so behind this there is a rain dance as well, a place where you can dance with the music on the rain. The room itself is designed in such a way it really looks like a rain, wherein they have created an artificial rain with the sprinklers on it, but nevertheless it's same as rain itself. Lush green property, guys. Amazing place filled with greenery and amazing fun, amazing people, amazing hospitality. I feel there are other amusement parks in Bangalore and nearby Bangalore, but this Club Cabana is a must-try place for everyone. So, this is for the rain dance, where the sprinklers are done for dancing with the music. So, do visit here either on weekdays or weekends, according to your schedules or the timings, whichever you feel better, and enjoy it with your family and your friends. And food, I could say it's not up to that mark, but okay, the basic food whatever we could get, they gave us the food here, but we enjoyed a lot.
वेट उतना नहीं है ना, आराम से This is snooker, you see. End of QA.
So you have lockers here, you have changing room here. You just need to pay the security deposit for the lockers, and yeah, you'll be refunded back with the deposit amount. So locker it is 200 rupees, and for the snooker games you need to pay 500, wherein the amount will be deposited again back to you. Yeah, see ya. This is the kids play zone. This is the lazy pool, lazy river. Yeah, pool or river, whatever you want to call it as.